Here, you see those deer? D is for deer. These are deer down here. I'm gonna get a little closer and see if they'll stick around. They might run. Hi. What you doing? These are D is for deer. See these deer? She's looking at us. Oh, looks like they're trying to get through over that way. I don't know what they're gonna do. They might turn around. But it looks like they're going through. Look, there they are. See them? That's pretty cool, huh? She's pretty. Well, kids, we're gonna leave them alone now. Oh, see, there's some. I think there runs one right there. All right, D is for deer.